how to fix laptop mouse cursor not working. So there are several ways to try and address this. First thing first, of course, you could try restarting your laptop doing a cold reboot, meaning you shut down your device over here instead of restarting it. Doing a shutdown and waiting for at least 30 seconds before you turn it on will do a cold restart. If that does not work, what you could do is you could open your device manager, which you could easily search in your taskbar, and you could look for mice and other pointing devices over here. You're just simply going to select any of this and you're going to update the driver. You could also try clicking on actions over here or view show hidden devices in your device or your specific mouse, whether it's an external mouse or other. Over here you should then be able to easily update them as well. Now what you could do also check out is if there are any Windows updates in your settings. You could also check and double check that if there are any pending updates, which you should try and update your Windows. And after that you could also try again to see if there are any other issues. Now if none of this work, the issue might not be with the software or your Windows itself. It may lie on your external mouse or your numpad or touchpad itself. You might need to try, or you might want to try a different mouse to test out if those would work as well. So that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.